welcome back to another video. Today I'm actually just gonna be showing you guys a really quick my makeup. If you guys like it, definitely stay tuned. I do just show you something that is very random, very last minute. Yeah, so I'm just gonna be using the Jaclyn Hill Again palette. I really like it. I feel like you could do so many looks with this. I know I used this last time, but I am just still playing around with it. I feel like every time you could just create something different. So right now I actually already started on blending my eyeshadow with the Jaclyn Hill palette. I believe I used this one in my last video. So I just really right now just use this color right there. It's like the fourth one to the second row, and I just used the Morphe 505 brush to just kind of blend everything out good, because of course, you know, blending is always key. And I actually have been blending this eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna go in with another Morphe 5E22, and I'm just gonna go in with another like yellow color, mustard color right here. I really don't know what I'm doing since I am wearing this like pink shirt, so I don't want to do something that's gonna be so bright, but I still wanted something to kind of pop out. Does that make any sense? I don't know, but so I'm just kind of using this brush and just kind of, yeah, do you ever just have those moments where you just like don't know what you want to do to your face and just kind of go with it? That's one of the moments I'm having now. Even right now I'm placing this eyeshadow and I'm like, what else am I gonna add now to this? So yeah, so it is Saturday today. So I just got back, well, not right now, but like 2 hours ago I got back from a makeup appointment because I do freelance. So just got back from that appointment. I actually did hair for the first time. I normally don't do hair because by hair I mean like styling, but I did today. I mean, I know how to do my own hair when I curl it or whatever. Besides straightening, I know how to do that stuff. So they asked me, and I asked them what they wanted exactly, and they said just basic curls, kind of how I just wear. I'm like, okay, you know what? I actually can do that, of course. So yeah, and it's always good to just kind of I guess try something new, and if you have the time, or just go with time or whatever, you know, set your appointment. You know, it's just good practice. And you know, if you're a freelance makeup artist and you only start off with makeup, it's always good to have that because people are always looking, you know, the 2-for-1 person. Like if you know how to do makeup and hair, you know, that's always great. So I'm gonna go in with this color right here. This is the third one. And have you guys tried this palette out yet? Because if you guys haven't, I definitely recommend that you guys do, because it is really good. I'm not saying just because it's from Morphe and it's from Jaclyn Hill, but honestly, this is a really good palette. Like, I really do like it. And it's just like a flat brush from Soho. Okay, so I just finished adding that color, and then I wasn't gonna do it like that, but then you know what, let me kind of smoke it out a little bit. So I just kind of got a little bit of this brown color here, and I just kind of smoked out a little bit the corners, and I just used the E24 from Morphe. But then hold on, I was looking at it, you know what, it's looking a little bit plain, so let me glitter it up. So I'm either gonna, well, it's about the same, but I've shown you guys these photo ready eye art from Revlon. So these are double, but I'm thinking just using this and just kind of a little bit of gold or shimmer to it, glitter. And then I do have like basically it's the same. This one is from NYX. It's the liquid little glitter stuff. And I'm just gonna go ahead, I don't know, I'm just gonna, like I said, this whole time I really still don't know what I'm doing. And I'm just gonna go ahead and add it like right there. Kind of like where your eye creases. Maybe I should have done this. I should just left it like that because I always end up messing up. And it's rare when it comes out like A1, like good. But that's what happens. That's life. That's life. So let me know, comment down below if you guys are new to the channel. Let me know what you guys want to see. And yeah, just tell me a little bit. Of course, I already messed up a little bit, but you know what? We could always go ahead and fix that by just thickening it up. Thickening it up. Did I say that correctly? I put on my lashes and I'm just gonna go in with, oh, so I added my lashes actually. Duh, I just said that. So I added my lashes, I added foundation and powder. I always use Ben Nye. This one here, the banana one, this is the only one I actually just use. And I'm not done. I probably do look crazy. I actually just ended up, the liner right here, this one got messed up, but whatever, I'll try making it work. Most likely I'm not even gonna go and do anything today. I just want to do my makeup. And since I'm right here by myself today, I'm like, let me take advantage. Because I don't really have nothing to do right now. I might just step out to the store and buy stuff that I don't need. But yeah, I'm just going with this butter bronzer from Physicians Formula with this Lexi angle brush. And I'm just gonna go in with this chocolate Soleil, whatever it is, the chocolate one. I can never finish any of these bronzers, so to have like, I have the full size and then I have this one. Just always start with the like smaller, I guess, sample size or travel size. Sample, I don't know, do they even give these as sample? I doubt it, but yeah, the travel size, I guess. Just to kind of darken it up. And I really don't ever contour the nose or whatever. I just kind of just do this. Yeah, I think it's still bugging me, but like I said, I'm not even gonna go out and really do anything. I might just go out and eat, but yeah, I'm just gonna go in. I have like a bunch of highlighters, but I would just end up going to like the same ones that I usually do wear. Sorry, my hair is looking ratchet, but I'm just gonna fix it right now as well. So I normally would use this LA Girl one, the 50 watt, or I'll use the Becca, the Opal, the Anastasia, but I'm just gonna go with this one. I'm just gonna go in with the golden bronze. I'll start off with that one. Just kind of put that in there. And this is just the 501 Morphe brush. I don't know if you guys see that. I'm not sure if I'm liking this lighting. Like, I like it when I'm right here, but the way I'm seeing it on camera, it looks totally different. Like I like it, but I don't like it. So and then I'm just gonna go with this opal. Yeah, I'm just gonna go in now with opal. Yeah, no, yeah. So I'm just gonna go with this one. So I already just went and go and get my this is my Numi wand, and this is like the thick one. I'm not sure if it's like, sorry, I just got kind of like a so this is my Numi wand. This is I believe, I don't know, it's the largest one that they have, because I know I bought two, and I actually did get this at Marshall's for like $19.99, so obviously under $20. And I got 3 items. I got them all basically for $60. Not all at the same time, but I did buy them there. I remember the first one because I got excited when I saw these there. I'm like no way they carry this here like at Marshall's. So I'm like, I knew I had to get this. And so I got it. I first got the straightener. I wanted to try it out first, see if they were good. And so it was good, so okay. So I went back and they had the wands. I actually needed like something to like just curl or do some waves to my hair. So I got the smaller one, but I noticed for my hair, like my preference of like waves or semi-curly hair, I didn't like it. So I went back and I didn't return it, I just kept it. And then I bought this thicker one. And yeah, so this is the one that I'm using right now. And of course I'm using that protective glove that they give you, it comes with, because it is very dangerous. I've burned myself so many times. Hey guys, so I'm back and I just finished my hair. So they're like nice, bouncy, full, and I'm still gonna fix it. So I'll just kind of go like this and move it around, jump up and down. Not just like no, I don't jump up and down, but I just kind of like separate them, and eventually they'll get to how I like them. And then I don't know, do you guys ever have this thing where you just like, you're about to like leave the house and you did your makeup, but you don't put on your lipstick for whatever reason because maybe you forgot? Oh, you know you're gonna go out and eat like right after? Well, my thing is that like I honestly just forget to put on any type of lipstick. I don't know why. And then I quickly, let me show you guys this top that I'm actually really loving. This one's actually from, what is it from? This is the Adidas brand. Can you guys see it? I don't know, but this Adidas looks very like sporty feel to it. Even though I'm not gonna go out and work out, obviously. I just like it. I do have the same one in black, and this the same. And I'm just wearing a sports bra because it does have like a big open cut, so I'm just wearing this sports bra. But yeah, and then I just have let me see, can I just, what is it? Before I fall. Hold on. So I just have these white shoes, these Nikes, the Air Force. I've been just living in them for a while, and I'm just wearing black leggings. I see. Oops. So I'm just wearing black leggings. Nothing special. But yeah, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, I know it's very random, and yeah, since my hubby left, yeah, he left me, guys. He left me. No, I'm just kidding. So he did step out with my son to go do some stuff, and I'm just right here chilling by myself. So I'm like, well, might as well just record and, you know, show you guys some makeup. And yeah, I tried making this work, but I feel like it's looking a little bit weird. I don't know, because it's like a little bit thicker how I envisioned it. So it's looking a little bit thicker, more than I envisioned it, but whatever, I'm just gonna make it work. Probably fix it, probably not, I don't know. Probably just throw some shades on. But I like, do I like? I don't know. So anyways, I'll see